Okay, we know the score. Doing face-to-face inductions can be slow and painful, and keeping track of who's on site is literally a full-time job. Life's too short for all that. One.site can help you get your operatives inducted and signed into site by just a few simple clicks. Easy. Giving anyone who has a responsibility for health and safety in construction the right tools to turn slow into fast and exasperating pain into "that was easy." See who's on site, who's expected and who's been there that day, who's awaiting approval and whether you've got any visitors on site. It's simple. By filling in their email and a few other details, you can invite someone to site and create a new user in seconds, saving the workload of the site teams and freeing up time to focus on the important things on site. Like building houses. The operative gets sent an invite. They then just follow the instructions to create their own account, profile and PIN, as well as access the site and complete inductions. Inductions are usually videos, followed up by a quick quiz. It's no game show, but it's more fun than hours of being talked at. Once that's nailed, they'll be able to set up facial recognition to speed up checking into site. They'll be prompted if any inductions have expired and need to be redone too. So, no more chasing people to complete inductions, allowing you to boss your actual job. You can review and check all the info they provide, and then they're good to go. When the operatives arrive on site, they can use One.site to simply check in with their face, PIN or QR code. A QR code can also be generated that can be printed onto a poster, and they can use this to check in and out on their mobile. And that's it. Yep, really. At One.site, we know the right tools can transform your job. So we make the right tools. Now it's time to put them in the right hands. You'll wonder how you manage without it. One.site, your digital toolbox. Invite, induct, sign in.